Me really need one nice lady in my life to help me spend my money.
What you saying?
So me just work every day. Let me show my face now. Me just work every day and no fun.
Welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and thank you so much for your support. Now today we will be talking to a gentleman by the name of Mr. Richard Brown, who hails from the parish of Manchester, and he is going to be building a stone wall. He is someone that you would call a jack of all trade in Jamaica. So please remember to like, share and subscribe and to hit the post notification bell so once we upload a new video you will be notified. So let's get into the video.
I need one other Panama material.
Hi Mr. Brown, how are you doing this morning?
I'm fine, you know.
Okay, awesome. So talk to us about what you're doing here.
We're building a stone wall, but the stone wall we're building today is not the real 100% fancy one. It's just a rough stone one, just like how the hammer break them. We just use them, but we are...
As is?
Yes, I fix the joint as close as ever.
Yes.
And then now we are pattern the joint, them paint them, make them look good. So for time being, we just a really rough, but when we dress it up, we fine and nice.
Yeah, we come together.
We're waiting for the material now, and me the 4 inches below the road. So me just spread some material and just build me stone wall. So if whenever the road, if it dig up or repair back, no problem. I can put it on top of the road. I have to go below the road.
Right. So, and when you say material now, you're referring to the mixture of what?
The cement, the concrete, the malt mix up with the cement or the sand, and so on. Okay. So as soon as it come now, this big pretty one here now, see him how the sledgehammer break him here.
Yes.
See him, so me I use him, turn out that face.
Okay.
But the stone now, you can't, this stone is a kind of chalk stone.
Right.
You can't really cut him, do no cutting to him. The more you touch him with the cutting hammer, he break up. So we just fix the joint them near as ever.
Yes.
So when we dress up the joint them now, you see they put the stone up front here.
Okay, okay.
All right.
Yes. How long have you been doing this type of work, Mr. Brown?
About some 10 years now.
Wow. So you've mastered it.
Yeah, man, but every day you learn still more and more, you know.
That's true. That's true.
Let me go. Let me let green. I put in this one, make the people them see.
Yes, yes. So how long it take you to build a wall like this?
All right. It depends, you know. If put your stone and be, and you go faster.
Okay.
And with the help what you have to determine how fast you go. So it depends. But I'm in a good mood.
Yeah.
You should do a fairway light at daytime.
Okay, okay.
All right, so I put on the material here now. All right, so my material there.
Yes.
And my face stone now. So this part of the face.
Okay.
And my line here. So you see him perfect, as ugly as the stone be.
Yes.
He have a pretty face.
Right.
And me match him as close as to the line as possible.
Okay. Okay.
All right. So see him match with the line there now.
Yes.
So when he finish, you only see here for a joint and we will decorate him.
Yeah.
And then now we hype up the wall.
Okay, okay.
And put a little banana and so on.
Right.
All right. So see my line where I work off now. So just like a building block.
Yes.
So you just line him up with the line. So in a sense, after you put up your 2 posts, and if you build off, anybody really can just do what me doing.
Okay, okay. So you don't find it difficult?
No, man. Okay. The first one what me building, me never know my father could build this type of wall.
Yes.
He was a mason, build wall with build block house. And he called me, say, make me come and build. Give me an expand, my brother. We'll build our stone wall. But he said, we'll cut the stone.
Right.
So I said, then, Brown, I tell you never know how, me never know you can cut stone. Never mind, fi build wall.
Right.
And he said, all right, the first one him cut. Maybe you just cut the next one.
Okay, okay.
And that's how we start off.
Yes. So you would have learned the trade from your father?
Yes.
Okay.
All right, which one of that face I don't use? That and that. This one have a face. have some pretty one here. All right, I could have used this one. So this one, see stone, it really is an ugly stone, you say no, at the side.
Yes.
But it have a pretty face.
Right.
So I put a pretty face to the line. All of these ugly parts hide. So I don't pay these parts no mind. If you want to trim them up, you can trim them up.
Okay.
But you don't really pay those parts no mind.
All right.
So back to the story now. When my father go and put up in template, me always see wall man take him half day if you put them up.
Right.
So my father call any of the wall man, he just tell me say me fi help him put it up. So it take 5 minutes to put up in template.
Yes. And by template you mean?
Yes, that is where you tie the line on that post there.
Right.
So when he put it up, he said to me, say, give me the hammer and he no move. He said, me fi put up the next one.
Okay.
And he never said to me, say, me fi watch what him doing.
Yes.
But luckily me and I look.
Right.
So me went and take 5, me take about 15 or 10 minutes put it up.
Yes.
But him not even come look what me doing.
Yes. So you're a fast learner.
Yes.
And him actually put it to work because when you're doing the work, you learn faster.
Yes. So when him see me put it up, he just drive in nail on his one.
Yes.
And he never come look if he alright. Find he expect if he alright.
Yes.
So him just said to me, say, put nail on it, tie your line, and put your man name to work.
Right.
So, well, these big one now, the one stone I see him put on and film job was a big stone.
Yes.
The other stone man name telling him, say, if you throw it away. He said, no man, nah throw it away, make it stay in the building.
Yes.
And when we done put up a line, he just put up the one big one and gone.
Yes.
Find a man we drinking rum, you know.
So,
or looking rum.
yes.
So he left we on the job. So most of him job when me and him working, he leave we go and drinking rum.
Yes.
So
that's how you capture the whole art of the
so
stone
anything,
wall.
yes,
Building the stone wall.
So see, all of the ugly part hide now.
Yes.
So me have a nice face, a nice stone now coming into this giant here. So now, and then now when we finish now, you not see the ugly part, just the pretty part them.
Okay.
And you have a nice stone wall.
Okay. So you're confident that when you go over to pick another stone, you're going to find the perfect stone to
Yes,
fit
man.
in place?
All perfect stone fan. God break them or them, you hammer cut them. It fits somewhere.
Yes.
But you have to have the patience now to put it where it fit.
Okay.
But if you put it where it not fit, it will be too big, too little, give trouble.
Right.
But it fits somewhere, but you just have to just find it like a puzzle.
Right. So you have to have the patience, like you say, to
Yes.
search and find the right stone.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Should have some nice, pretty one in here. All right. Challenge myself to this one green. The other one, yeah, man. Hold that fiercely.
Wow.
We
That's
have
a huge
this
one.
Yep. And we have, but these big one now, you put them at the bottom. You don't put them at the top.
Okay.
So like that now, you put him, see him pretty face there. So you put him right there. So when you're going up on the top now, you put the smaller one there.
Right. So you try to put the bigger stones at the bottom,
Yes.
like a foundation.
Yes. So
Okay.
some you turn him up, straight up.
Okay. Okay.
And the bigger you use this stone, the quicker the wall finish.
Okay.
However, now when you're doing some kind of refined one,
Yes.
you know, use all these big ones.
Right.
But we have these big ones already, so we use them up as best as ever.
Okay. And the refined stones you're talking about, would that be the ones like the ones that comes from the factory?
Yes.
Okay. So do you also build walls using blocks?
Yeah, man, we build a fancy one, them with building block and style them up.
Yes.
Whole heap of pattern. But
So which one do you prefer? This building the stone wall or building with the blocks?
well, to be honest, me as a painter, when me working as a painter, me not even remember say me was a mason.
Yes.
When you're working as a stone wall, you don't remember you don't know other job.
Yes.
So you're just comfortable.
Yes, with what it is that you have to do when you're doing it.
Yes, and them say, it's saying go, which is true. If you love what you do,
Yes.
you're not tired and you're not work.
Yes, yes.
And you enjoy your work. All right. How me did turn him? Huh? Yes, man. Yeah, man. All right. While him fit here. Brace the line. All right. Show some more material under him for me, please. Show him right on the pipe. Next one on top. Don't press him now. All right.
So, Mr. Brown, does it take special skills in even how you lay the material?
Yeah, man. All right. For the material now, like if like the building block, you cut it and you put it down a certain way.
Yes.
For the stone, you have a certain way if you put it down. But the next one now, when me put down this one, me will show you.
Okay.
For the stone.
Okay, okay.
Eh? You know, look good. For this one now, it have to have a like a back for fit in. So if you have a length, if you go inside first,
Yes.
then now, yeah, so if you have the face.
Okay.
But into the heap, just you find it.
Right, right.
All right. That is nearly the stone.
Okay.
But here, so you have to put a next one.
Right.
So I still want a stone will fit in here and cover here, so.
Okay.
My ugly
I
spot.
see. All right.
So, me search me heap now and see what me have.
Okay. And those are stones that you would have broken up and rest aside for this purpose?
Yes, yes. So
Okay.
these special little one, you always find space for fit them.
Okay.
So if you not fit one area, you will fit the next one.
Yes.
All right. It's nearly him, but not him. Not him.
And Mr. Brown, you are no stranger to hard work because you are what they would refer to as a jack of all trades.
Yeah, man. So,
talk to us about the other things that you do.
me work every day for me work. When me not working as a painter, somebody call me as a mason.
Yes.
When me not working as a mason, me also is a farmer.
Yes.
So, and the building work, I'm is apprentice carpenter.
And here, Mr. Green here knows, reminding you that you're also a carpenter.
Well, apprentice. Well,
Apprentice. So you have so many trades that you are forgetting what you are right now.
Yes,
You're forgetting
yes.
the carpentry part.
Yes, yes. So,
Yes.
but it keep you busy in your work every day.
Yes, which is good.
Yes.
Right, because sometimes these type of work that you do, they are seasonal.
Yes.
So if something is not happening in terms of building a stone wall, you
Yeah,
can go
man.
to the farming or you can do
The paint, me do a work as a
Right.
mason. And sometimes for the week, me book all 3-4 different places
Yes.
to work.
So you're busy.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Yes. So what are some of the things that you plant?
Ginger, yellow yam,
Yeah.
the Lucy, which you call it, maca yam.
Yes.
So Me's a yam farmer.
Yes, and you're also a poultry farmer.
And me forget about that.
You see what I'm talking about?
Me forget about that.
Yes. You raise pigs as well?
And me have pig, but no plenty.
Okay.
And me's a goat farmer too,
Oh
I
my
forget.
God. I told you, I knew you were forgetting some of the things that you do.
And me still a forget. Well, I tell you what, me used to plant dasheen, for me love dasheen.
Yes.
So there was a time when every yam finish. And me I tell you, say I never have nothing to eat as food.
Yes.
For me love me food, me ban, no know me strength in all these big store, me just grab them up.
Yes.
All right. So I said, oh, me nah nothing to eat, me a farmer run out of food. When me remember say me plant dasheen.
Yes.
But the dasheen was a plant far from the farm. So when me went there and reap the dasheen beer in a man and me enjoy myself. But me say to myself, say, you know me not plant back the dasheen here for. If me plant it, I never remember say me plant it.
Oh wow.
You know, make sense, me not plant it back for it was too far from the house.
Right, and because you are so busy.
Yes,
Yes.
so me come out of dasheen. But me do plenty cocoa. No, me never have to tell you now.
Yes, but the cocoa.
Me a cocoa farmer, me do plenty cocoa.
Okay. So it's just the dasheen that you're not planting, but you do plant the cocoa.
Yes.
Okay.
But plenty cocoa.
Yes.
Banana too when the disease came out.
Yes.
Me plant 100 banana sucker and them start beer.
Yes,
Green
you plant
the bigger one
bananas
to
too?
run here, so. Alright, so me has a banana farmer. But the banana me must give them away, me not really sell them
Okay.
for our guys them buy them too cheap, so me just
Oh, you say just give them
me just give away so I eat.
Okay, okay.
Alright.
Yes.
Yeah man. Yeah, perfect. Little material I mean nice. Coulda.
So the sun ever take a toll on you, Mr. Brown? Because right now, the sun...
Well, it did hot the other day, It hot from the other day. But what we do, when the sun hot at daytime,
Yes.
we come out. When it get too hot, we come out. Wait till it cool off. And in the evening, when it cool again,
You come back.
we come back and work.
Okay, okay.
And you take individual break and
Yes. so
sometimes you just go in and you get fresh air.
Yeah.
You understand?
Okay, so you're not staying at the sun
No, we're not
all
staying at
day.
the sun all day.
Yes.
And you drink plenty water and so on.
To keep you hydrated.
Yeah, man. And sometimes, luckily, we work a place where we have like a shelter and stuff.
Okay. Okay, so you have a family, Mr. Brown?
No, maybe me work too hard.
You work too hard?
Yes, so I never really had time. For me work every day now.
Okay, me really just a fast in your business
No,
right
no,
now.
really fast. It's a good best question that you ask.
The best question?
Yes.
Okay.
For me really need one nice lady in my life to help me spend my money.
What you say?
So me just work every day. Let me show my face now. Me just work every day and no fun.
Right.
For true, me do too much. To be honest, if me ever say anything to young people, you learn skill.
Yes.
If you learn skill, you're busy, and you can't broke, you work every day.
Yes.
So true, me have maybe too much of the skill.
Yes.
So true that me work every day for somebody must call me for one of them.
Okay.
So true that maybe that's the problem now, me not have one nice lady in my life.
Oh, so you're always busy, so you have no time to socialize.
Yes. All right, for this weekend now, when me finish build my stone wall,
Yes.
me have chicken to go kill.
Yes.
So me can't go on the road go look no girl this weekend.
Oh my God.
Sunday me book. We cast a concrete floor.
Oh.
So you see what I mean?
Yes, you're occupied and very busy every day.
Busy every day, which is no good. No social life.
Yes.
But that's how it go.
So you show your face. So what are you saying really?
Any nice slim lady we can have picnic.
Okay.
Not too fat though,
You don't.
Yes, sir.
What you saying? You don't like ladies who are fat?
No, not too fat, not too fat.
Oh, you like slim ladies?
Yes.
Okay.
I mean have whole heap of food and meat for she eat so.
But you know, so when you feed her the whole heap of food and meat, she gonna put on the weight.
Well, me fat her up so me have to keep her fat.
Okay, I get you, Mr. Brown.
True, man. All right, for here,
All
so
right.
now what me do here, so now.
Okay. So tell us your number, Mr. Brown, just in case.
391. Me nervous, me I forget my number.
Oh, my.
391 9711.
Okay, 391-9711.
Yes.
Please call Mr. Brown.
Yes.
I'm sure the nice lady is out there and
Yes.
she's going to call you.
I hope so.
All right, we're praying for it.
Yes.
Okay, so she can assist you to spend your money like you say.
Yes, man.
All right.
Hold this one. You know, right now, you see, me will tell you, you're gonna get before a day done work from when me build stone wall on the roadside, you know. Quick, every minute you get caught, your people take number.
Yeah, because them are
And
pass
yes,
on
man,
to you on the
I
spot.
like him.
Yeah. So, Mr. Green, you work with Mr. Brown. You are assisting him. So, how you find the work?
Okay.
You find it okay? Okay. I would agree with you because I see you lifting the heavy stones.
Like sit down and type.
Yes, so you try to make yourself occupied. Very good.
And me painting job them too, you know. Me and him paint.
Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah. Mr. Green paint as
man.
well.
Yeah, man, him a good painter, so me and him paint.
Yes.
So.
Oh, so you work along, you work with each other all the time?
Yes, man. Yes, man.
Okay, that's awesome. So you ever have any accident, Mr. Brown? Because these stones look like they can sometimes roll on fingers and so on.
Well, no, but we're careful, you know. The nearest we come to an accident,
Yes.
when I work on the bridge, I try, we break down now. You must see it on the TV.
Yes.
When where it break down and people have to cross into
Yes,
basket,
yes.
it create all stuff.
Yes.
So while me there working, there's certain secret to stone. When you're chewing a stone, it's stone chewing if you move, if you stay same place.
Okay.
If you turn it stone, make it roll. You see same stone and now you turn it and it a roll.
Okay.
It cause damage.
Right.
So this boot may have an iron into the pint, but that not say, you know, save here, so just the pint.
Okay, okay.
So the guy there now, one of my assistant, threw a stone and it a roller come to me, so him a ball, Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. So his stone this come and he hit me big to a boof.
Yes.
No iron into it, you know, so it did hurt me little.
Oh my God.
So me look up and me say, you know Jesus if he call, if he just tell me, say, Brown, look
this
out.
Stone
A stone
your
coming.
way. Yes.
Anyway, so from that day now, we practice, you know, hire people who we not chain. Even if you come on a job, we chain you.
Right.
So we tell you, say if you are tray stone, don't make it roll. As a tray stone, if you stand up same place, it can cause accident.
Yes.
So there is certain trick to it.
Right.
While working, you can just go work.
Yes, so we can't take anything for granted that
No.
you're building a stone wall.
Yes,
and we can do it too. We
Yes.
have to know certain things.
There's certain danger in it.
Right.
So once you know the danger them, you can protect it yourself from it.
Okay, great.
All right, you take up the big stone, you roll them. See me have my waistband here
Yes.
to protect my waist.
Right.
Even though me can carry 150 pounds and it don't do me anything, you
Yes.
still not take anything for granted. You don't need waistband, but you still wear it.
Yes, to protect yourself.
Protect yourself.
Yes.
Nice. So you see him? Fit perfectly.
Yes.
All right, so as much as you see stone them big and you say ugly, when we finish and dress up this wall,
Yes.
pretty as money.
Yes.
So the secret now, I want the joint them as close as ever.
Right.
So
it
once we can
close
get
up.
him that way, yeah, all right.
Yes. So in building the stone wall, Mr. Brown, you try to, because I'm looking from down there, you try to lay a foundation, come right up.
Yes.
And then you go back and put on the top stone.
Yes, so all the big stone at bottom,
Yes.
so me I go up, my stone I get smaller and smaller.
Okay.
And you make sure the joint them must as neat as possible.
Yes, yes.
All right, beg your next one. So but this second layer now I'll get a little more tricky. For you have to get stone that fit exactly into the joints them.
Oh wow.
Each section if you big from here to here, pretty face, and go right back down. And once you can do it that way,
Yes, perfect.
your wall perfect.
So you may have to chop some stones to get them to
Yes, man.
in
Yes,
shape.
man. You choose one where fit as close as ever,
And
and then you dress him up.
Okay, awesome.
All right. You fit somewhere. So you just leave the material there. When the stone reach on it, sink him. All right. All right. Like yes, okay, I'm cut.
Okay, so you have started the second layer
Yes,
now, Mr.
all right.
Brown.
The secret with the mortar, you don't put it down like the block.
Right.
You just rest the material, make it stay high. When the stone go on it,
It sinks
sink
into
it.
it. Yes.
So it a little bit different from the black work.
Yeah.
The second layer stone now too. You build a bed for it.
Right.
So this is a bed. So it's stone at back. And build up your wall, come up
Okay.
and hold up your stone. And then now the front one, which is this. So there's a perfect stone, fit right into my joint. All right. And him help tap the stone from falling back. So when him dry into the material now,
Yes.
you can't get out that. All right, so perfect.
Wow.
So as big as the stone be,
Yes.
is the joint important. The
Yes.
joint them close and neat, close and neat. So you joints them.
Yes.
Joints them carry it off. So when you decorate the stone now, it's pretty.
Yes, and the joint is the joint are those spaces.
Yes, where
that
the stone joint.
Right, right.
And me also learn this work from a few old people. So me take little from each one of them.
Yes.
More than all uncle man, but them dead now doing.
Yeah.
But them teach me.
Okay.
So it's same job when my father was on. When my
Yes.
father line up. Me tell him say me fi cut stone. Me say, but you can't cut. Me never know you can't cut stone. Him say,
Right.
see, the first one you see me cut, you just cut it. So this old man the best wall builder, him keep ask me, where me go learn to cut stone?
Yes.
So me get vexed the day and ask him, say, if me not do it good, tell me, make me stop.
Yes.
He say, but I told me, see you cut it good, make me ask.
Oh.
So,
yes.
him say, then you can't build this stone. Me say, no. He say, but that's the easy part.
Right.
So my father say, me fi just look at him and work.
Right.
Him tell me the same thing to say me fi just watch him. And the first stone him lay,
yeah.
me just do the same thing.
Okay. Okay.
So that's what me do.
Oh wow.
All right, and when me finish work he said to me, say, anytime you have work again, you not leave me.
Yes.
And everywhere I work, he carry me.
Right.
And that I was the first wall me building. But to be honest, you just look and you just follow instruction, you can't go wrong.
And once you're interested to learn, you will learn.
Yes, you will learn.
Yes.
You understand?
So what age were you, Mr. Brown, when you started following your dad to do the stone wall?
I think I'm about 15.
You were 15?
But I think about 20 with the stone wall.
Yes.
But from me 15 now we round him and I watch him.
Okay.
And so on what him doing, simple work.
Yes.
Some of the things then what we are do, after a while he just tell we.
Yes.
And we do it just like him. My present boss again now to Mr. Green, him good. But he say him no run church. He run school for church to teach people every day and he no graduate. He say school after you teach him and he graduate, he gone.
Okay.
Different set.
Yes.
So anything he tell you, you have to make sure you catch it.
Okay, so you might run school, not church.
I run school, not church. So every day he teach you something new.
Right.
Now you figure there, even though I'm fit now, what me do, just front a little bit, put him up,
Yes.
and just put him in.
Okay, okay.
So me have a face for him, and it fit the joint perfectly. So
Right.
me just put him up. You would call this cutty stone.
Cutty stone. So I notice you don't wear any goggles.
Well, in a sense now, true, we doing it so long, which you still no excuse doing.
Yes.
But if you doing it, me make you wear your goggles.
Right.
Me have mine, but you chip a stone and you can't tell exactly where the splinter going.
Yes.
So we chip it away from us, so it going that way.
Yes,
if you chip it this way, it going that way.
Right.
If you chip it this way, it comes straight up into your face.
Okay.
So by using this hammer here, you can tell where the chip going.
Yes. So again, it really narrows in on the fact that you were saying you have to have certain skills.
Yes.
Because you would have to know that I know how to do it.
Yes.
To do it without wearing protective gear on the eye.
Yes, perfect.
Yeah.
All right.
So, Mr. Brown, what if you have any young people watching this video who just looking on and would want to acquire this skill? Would you be able to assist them if they want, come on the job and learn?
Yes, man, for one of the problem now. Well, my brother, what I'm used to do this work.
Yes.
Him gone to another job. So, we can't replace him because you had young people, a few young people in Jamaica want to work,
Right.
So, we don't welcome anybody who want to learn.
Right.
To teach and to pay.
Yes.
You understand?
So it would be good for them because they're learning and then they're also earning an income on the job.
Yes, and any one of the trade that me do. Before you finish learning, me can send you go work.
Yes.
For people want we all both to do work.
Yes.
We can't manage what work we have. But we don't really need no help.
Yes. So you have more work than
yes, so we should have trained people and send them work, but
but like you said, there's a reluctance for
young people.
On the part of the young people, they don't want to work.
No, sir.
Okay. Or is it this type of work that they don't want to do?
Well, in the farming again is another problem when we working as a farmer.
Yes.
Like me going to the farm now, me da like 2 or 3 young men to go with me. And you pay them well too.
Yes.
And then now you work as a farmer, so what you have to do is finish quick. But we also not get no help as a farmer neither.
So you find this as something that is common, young people unwilling to work.
You hardly can get people. You not get people for work.
Yes.
Alright, better. Yeah, man, that's alright. We need the perfect one for in there, so now. Alright. The steel could have go down closer to that, But me nah get him fight, me have to cut off piece of that. But one of the things with these stone, you see when the more you cut it, it will just break up.
Okay.
So sometimes you have to be sticky.
Yeah.
How you can get it. So the good news, this close to this, this close, but just this one now, if you go back down to that.
So in that case now, what you do?
So what me can do, me see if me can set him. We'll try to take that. I don't want to mash him up. Alright, that's not so bad. We'll take that. Alright. Let me see how he look from front. No look bad, but me see drying.
Okay.
I see him. And this one piece in here, so what me might have to do green. Alright. Perfect face here, so. But when fit now.
So Mr. Brown, after you finish the wall, what is the next step?
The next step now, me cast a little band on the top to hold all the stone them.
Yes.
And then now me do what you call paint or dress up the wall.
Right.
So,
Okay.
so as much as you see look untidy now, by the time I finish it,
Right.
it's a pretty wall.
Yes, and of course, because the viewers and subscribers will not be able to see the completion of the wall in this video,
Yeah.
but we sure will do a follow-up. So
Yes.
when you are doing the next process,
Yes.
we'll do a follow-up in
Yes,
that
so
video.
Then we'll
Alright.
see the beauty of it.
Right. And so, Mr. Brown, I'm going to ask you one more time to just state your number, because you'd have stated your number before, because
Yes.
you're looking for a lady. But now I'm going to
Yes.
ask you to state your number again for those persons who see your work and are somewhat interested and would want to maybe hire you.
Yes.
Or we did talk about somebody, young people who
Yes.
may be interested in learning the trade.
Yes.
So just state your number once more so that persons out there can, give you a call.
Yes, 391-9711.
Yes, and of
Yes.
course, we'll place that number in the video description and
Yes.
also on the screen of this video. So until next time, and thank you for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love.
Yes, okay.